Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view the salesperson wise summary details in an inquiry in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the customer service module. Here, we have to select the inquiry sheet menu under the customer service module. On the all inquiry list page, we have to select the required date range. Then we have to click the submit button. Now we can view the particular date range inquiry details. Here we have to select the salesperson wise summary option. Now we can view the salesperson wise total number of clients, total number of inquiry received, total number of quotation generated, and total number of booking visits statistics in the salesperson wise summary page. This is how to view the salesperson wise summary details in an inquiry in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.